Oersted experiment says current carrying conductor produces magnetic field and this magnetic field increases when the current is increases. At the same time, the magnetic field decreases when the radius of the concentric circle increases. Biot-Savart law is the extension of Oersted experiment. Scientists Biot and Savart both together derived the equation to find out the magnitude of magnetic field due to current carrying conductor. Let us consider a point P here. At point P, dB magnetic field is produced due to small elemental length dl of current carrying conductor. The distance between dl and P is r. We know that current increases, magnetic field increases. So dB is directly proportional to the strength of the current I. Similarly, if the length of the element increases, magnetic field increases. So dB is directly proportional to the magnitude of the length element dl vector. If the angle between dl and r is theta, then it is directly proportional to the sine of the angle theta between dl vector and r cap, because sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is 1. So if theta increases, dB value increases. We know that the radius of the concentric circle increases, the magnetic field decreases. So dB is inversely proportional to the square of the distance r between the point P and the length element dl vector. Now we have partially derived dB value, that is dB is directly proportional to IDL sin theta by r square. To remove this proportionality, we have to introduce a constant. This constant value is nu 0 by 4 pi. So dB is equal to nu 0 by 4 pi IDL sin theta by r square. In vector form, it can be written as dB vector is equal to nu 0 by 4 pi I dl vector cross r cap by r square. You might think this diagram is not look the same diagram as in the book, but it is similar. Just remove the cardboard and you will get the same diagram as in the book. I hope you understand the Biot-Savart law concept very well. Thank you for watching.